What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to get a Cadillac Escalade started if the key fob dies. I'm going to be demonstrating on a 2023 Escalade in this video, but it will be the same on a few different years. So I've taken the battery out of this key fob to demonstrate. As you can see, none of the buttons are working. If I try to start the vehicle as I normally would, it's not going to start. It may just show me the Escalade message on the dash. It may also say no key found, try again. So what we need to do is take our key fob and we're going to place it in the front cup holder like that. So once you have the key fob sitting in the cup holder like that, we should be able to start the vehicle as normal. And once the vehicle's started, you'll be able to drive it as normal. And then you'll just need to replace the battery in the key fob as soon as you can. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.